Ntuko ya narua Rais Ruto ni atongeretie atongeria kuma gitaru kia Afrika kiri mambura ja gukungwira kuruguria kampeni ya Raila Odinga gochwa giti kia mukariri giti wa ngwataniro ya Afrika neo African Union. Raila ni ajukite kanyaka kanarua gutaririria kiroto kiawe na manto jaria akagita kurikia ngwataniro ya NTHIGURU cia Afrika akeja guchinda giti giki nenduranirite rugonoru.
Raila Odinga.
Rais William Ruto ni arikithitie kuruguria kampeni cha Raila Odinga gochwa giti kia mukariri giti ndene ya AU. Akiaria Ruto na ugite Raila ni akubatara burukiri giti giki na nkuruki ni akumwendera wega.
We have entrusted it to a most capable steward. On behalf of the people of Kenya, I wish the Honorable Raila Odinga success as he makes his case to be elected as the chairperson of Africa Union Commission. I am highly indebted to each and every one of you, heads of state, leaders of delegation, and friends, for taking part in this historic event.
Munini Yoweri Gachagua auga Akenya bonde bari mustari ne jwa mbere kuigika Raila Odinga.
The people of Kenya have been united to a man by the candidature of the Right Honorable Raila Odinga to be the chairperson of the African Union Commission. This is a quest that has brought pride to our nation. And I would like to tell the leaders here from Africa and the representatives that as a country, as we present the Honorable Raila Odinga to be our candidate, it is because Africa, our motherland, deserves the best.
Rais wa Uganda Kaguta Museveni akiuga ni akugwata mbaru Raila Odinga.
I know Raila from the nationalist and pan-Africanist. So, mnisamehe maneno mengi. I am here to support the candidature of Raila Odinga. As the chairperson of the African Union. Asante sana.
Antoni awe Raila Odinga ni ataririte mantu jaria akerekania gwata gitike akiuga are tayari kukiruira.
Ready to serve. My heart is ready and my hands are steady, and with your support I shall get the opportunity to be of service to Africa, the cradle of mankind. I am made in Eastern Africa for Africa. The African people should feel the AU in their lives. Excellencies, if elected chairman, I propose to utilize the transition period to critically analyze the existing proposals for reforms and building capacity of the AU Commission. The ultimate aim is to follow up on the implementation of the reports so far formulated. Certainly, the story of Africa is not all gloom and doom. Thanks to the work your excellencies are doing, Africa has been on an upward and positive trajectory in recent years.